Hey, this is Ilana with Essence Coaching, DivineEssenceCoaching.com. And as a coach and a healer, I work a lot with empaths and other sensitive people to help them learn how to work with and harness their sensitivity so it can be a gift and a capacity rather than something that feels like it's overwhelming or like a liability. And now, being an empath myself and working with a lot of empaths and sensitive people, one of the things that happens for us is that we get very mixed up and tangled up with other people and other people's energy. And it can kind of just feel really wonky and off, and I've gotten to the point where I'm losing it, right? And so I learned that I can actually pull my energy back to me, and I can bring my energy home to me. And that if I do that from time to time, if I take some time to really regroup and re-energize myself, it's so much more easy to function in the world, and I can participate so much more easily. So I just wanted to share with you today a little bit of that process. And it's something that is not really so much a how. I can't really show you how I do it, but I can kind of talk you through it, and then you can figure out how to do it yourself. So what it is that you're going to get a sense of your energy, your energetic quality. So just like feel your body, feel your feet on the floor, and just see what's going on in your body, how you're feeling. And then start to get a sense of where your energy is pulling or directing from you. This might sound totally weird and foreign, but see if you can play with it and see what's out there. So as you get a sense of your energy and your energetic field, now just imagine that you're pulling energy into you. You're pulling your energy back to you from wherever it's tangled up, from whatever it's involved in. So if your energy's mixed up with another person, just imagine it flowing back to you, coming back to you. Sometimes I like to imagine it like threads of yarn, or today when I was talking to a client, like a piece of spaghetti that you get to suck back to you. So just imagine yourself pulling all of those threads in, pulling your energy back to you, wherever it's entangled, whomever it's entangled with, just bring it in, bring it back to you, invite it home, invite it to be with you. You don't need to be mixed up in other people's worlds. They can take care of themselves. Thank you very much. And you can come back to you, and you can rest in the energy of you and the space of you and the peace of you. And then I'll just add another touch here. So just imagine a stream of light that's pouring down through the top of your head all the way through your body. And imagine that your body is not actually solid. So it pours all the way around you, but your essence, your being, does not stop it. It goes right through you, right through every pore of your body and being, just washing you free of anybody else's energy, anybody else's content that you might be carrying, and just let it wash right over you. And then as you do that, you can also draw up energy from the earth through your feet and into your heart, and let the earth nourish you and support you and replenish your space and your energy. Now, I don't know about you, but I feel a lot better doing that. I feel a lot more grounded, a lot more centered in myself, a little less wonky, as I call it, a little less twisted up with everybody else. So give it a try, see what it does for you, play around with it, and see if you can start to get a sense of when your energy's off, mixed up with other people, and what it feels like to really be in your own space and your own energy. Because I know as an empath, if you can do that, if you can learn this, it will make such a huge difference in your ability to function in the world. I truly believe that. I've seen it, I know it, and so please try it out. Thanks for watching. This is Ilana with Essence Coaching, DivineEssenceCoaching.com, where you can learn more about me and my work, and I'd be happy to have a free consultation with you as well. And bye for now.